So another windy afternoon for you here in Icklingham. Everyone's been talking on the news lately, and I've been hearing about Texas and how they're buying up guns and all their ammunition, trying to stockpile because they got people trying to take some valuable resources from them. And I'm thinking, well, I'm over in England and I can't have guns. They're a little strict on their gun policy. So I decided I'm gonna go a different route. And I'm gonna go the traditional English way, and I decided to hire myself a knight. And this knight's hopefully gonna help protect my toilet paper, anything else, maybe some hand sanitizer I got, but let me show you what I got over here. Look, 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 they're taking my toilet paper. Get them, knight. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I've got Sir David Reichel here. Little malfunction.
Try to figure it out.
He was nice enough to throw this thing on, and I don't know, I got it from my parents. I think he got it from a garage sale or something. This thing's a little rusty. Hopefully his tetanus shot is good to go. Or,
I'm feeling good. Get some iron in my blood.
This episode's gonna end in the hospital again, just like all of our adventures together. So
at least I got some head protection.
Crazy. Today's video, it is cloud cover and not a great day. Sun's out every once in a while here, but we decided we're gonna take the day and show you guys our tent. I have a tent that I got in Alaska. So what, 6 years ago is the last time I've used this thing. It's been in the shed over here hanging out since we moved, and David and I are talking about doing a camping trip as soon as this virus stuff is over. He's clean. We're just gonna keep this down.
My chin's stuck. I can't laugh.
I love this. He's got like the neck brace after that motorcycle accident. Can't go through. All right, so anyways, we're gonna put the tent up in the front yard and then show you the camping gear. This is something we're gonna take up to either Peak District, Lake District, maybe Scotland. We're talking about doing a camping trip up there, and we just want to show you guys the setup and what that looks like. We figured it'd be a fun video to do while we're stuck at home within our castle and trying to protect all of our goods. We'll put you guys on the tripod over here so you can see it all, and we'll take you through. And then maybe for dinner, I think we got some steaks. So David's gonna go slay some dragons for us.
We'll go hunt it the old traditional way.
There's a couple sheep across the wall there too. We might be able to get us some lamb chops. But all right, stick with us, guys.
On any camping excursion, once you find your spot, you gotta start with your tarp, a good foundation. After that, you need your tent itself. What are you gonna stay in? Bingo. And then you gotta hold it down with stakes. There we go. Should I time it?
Yeah, right.
We're gonna time us.
All right, we've got both cameras rolling. I got you guys on the GoPro there. Probably looking on the back of my feet. Main camera there. And this might just be a time lapse. We'll see how this goes. But pretty simple. We just got rain cover, the tent itself, and then all the stakes. Let's do this.
The hammer of justice. All right. So first, you gotta get the core thingy-ma-dingy. Look at this big boy. Oh, this is big.
Look at our tiny little tarp.
Oh my god. This is like family size.
It fits a whole family or one cutout.
One cutout.
Here, just keep pulling your way.
Just keep pulling?
Yeah. We'll probably, I'll have to see how close we can get it to the wall. But because of the corners, it might come out. So that sand right there, this is actually from beaches in Alaska.
Oh, so look at that.
I'll have to do a picture. So Homer, Alaska, Homer Spit, I'll put up a photo, but we were right on the water.
Wow.
So that's kind of crazy.
Cool. Touching ground.
I don't know from a biological standpoint if I'm allowed to transport sand, you know.
Yeah.
If the ecosystem of England collapses, it's not because of my sand.
You just introduced an invasive species.
Oh yeah.
Like any good team, you gotta have somebody get ahead of the game. I'll just start on the pole. Just kidding.
I'll do the four corners. That's these guys. They should have a mallet. Do they have one?
A mallet? Yes. Mallet mode activate.
Just ready to. A lot easier in soft soil.
People will definitely know that we're from America.
You think?
Everything's small in this country, except your heart. You guys have big heart.
Oh, that's so sweet.
All you British people.
Ready to just sleep outside tonight under the stars because I can't get the roof right.
I do that. I don't have a home. I shed bark from trees and make a sleeping bag out of it, like a cocoon. I'm starting a business called
Cuddles up with the sheep.
Yes, that's actually the name of the company. Cuddles up with the sheep. Nice wool lining inside. You got your coasters on the side in case you want to have a nice drink on the rocks.
You got the horns to hold your bags and storage.
I am being so helpful right now.
Oh yes. All right, that's our frame.
Wow, look at that.
So
I wish I was
Blooper
filming
reel.
that.
it's the cross. So let's go in this one. There we go. Hold on.
You're doing great.
Little junction. There you go. Keep going.
Don't mess up. We're all counting on you. Shred.
Keep going. Keep going. All right, and then somewhere on the bottom, this is no instructions, by the way, too. I don't know where they are. I think a bear ate them.
Oh, no. Usually, oh, here it is. You pop it through the orange hole. However, I'm wondering.
If it's the black.
No, black's not long enough.
So black's got to go across. But
Wait.
what about those silver ones?
It's going to have these junctions, though, I think. The silver, we'll try it.
Yeah, but like, again, like what if you hook it to the... No, that's too far.
I mean, I don't know. The ceiling on this thing may be, like, ginormous.
It can't be that high. That's too... No. Whoever made this tent is cringing if they're watching this. Yeah, like,
That's not what I intended.
just look at the instructions. That's definitely got to be it. The two reds have to go diagonal.
Diagonal. I'll leave that puppy up like that. You got it. Okay.
Yeah, and then that will slide through that one. We back it off on this side.
Kids being so helpful. Excellent. Egg salad.
All right, hold on. Separated. All right, back together.
Separated too. Separated again.
I just want to take a minute and pause here and explain that David is an Eagle Scout.
It doesn't mean I know the instructions.
The Boy Scouts have failed him. No,
Oh my gosh.
and I should know how to put this up. This is my tent, but stay tuned. This might be a 3-part episode.
Oh my gosh. 2 days later.
All right, that's got to be it, though, right?
What the heck?
Well, you can pull the fabric up on this side.
Are you seeing this?
Yeah.
Like, do you see how arched it is?
Do you think the red posts are the same? So you attaching the clips?
I am, just to see like how the frame, and that makes sense to me.
So at the very minimum, we could at least attach these, and I would put the 2 clips in between the silver part, like so it can't go lower than that last joint.
Oh yes, yep.
And I'll do this one. Same thing though. You got to get the thing in the middle.
The fabric.
Yeah, this side's connected. And I'll come up with the. I think that's what's throwing it off. Is these clips. They can't move when they're stuck on the other side of that.
That's looking like something.
There we go.
I'm trapped.
I think we got a tent. Also, you got to make sure you know where your door is because we definitely set it up where the main door is facing the stone wall, which for quick exits, that's probably not a smart idea, but it'll work.
It protects it. We have good defense. Ka-chow! How you like me now? Woo!
Your side might have some more. No point on this side. Yeah, so it's gonna be a fun entrance into the tent.
Well, what we can do is
go through the window.
no. Here, I'll do this.
Oh, you just want to pivot it?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I have both corners over here. If you want to undo them, grab the corners, and we'll just move it to your right.
Boy, it's gonna be funny when it flies over the wall.
Keep low. Are we?
Now we have ourselves a mobile home.
Mobility. Look at it, just all falls apart. Here we go.
Nibbles Benevil here, live with an update with Kyle. Kyle, how are we doing on the tent?
I feel like I've met you before now.
I forgot to click record, but that's okay. Take us on a tour.
All right, come into the tent here, fresh with Alaska soil from the beach.
Wow,
you can see the bits of trash from the cruise ships.
Incredible.
Pretty spacious. I'm about 8 feet tall and almost to the ceiling here.
I see. I am crouching myself too.
But it's up. So now we're gonna do the rain cover because it sure as heck likes to rain in England. And we're gonna have to get that set up.
It smells of lavender and citrus.
So, oh gosh, remember how I said it likes to rain in England? Yeah, we're turning into a kite here pretty quickly. Taking shelter in the storm right now, or inside the tent from the storm.
Over here too.
We're gonna give it a minute and then finish out. The sides are a little flimsy, and I don't know if that's that black piece, but we're gonna show you how we're gonna spruce this up here in a minute, though. David's just gotta secure it. Let the storm rage on.
Once you get your shelter up, you need a place to sleep.
So we got 2 cots, you know, because David and I are friends, but not that close.
Snuggle time.
And I think David's been able to put these together a couple times in his military career.
Oh yeah.
So we're gonna get these assembled and I'll come back with you guys.
Now, last but not least, you need something to sleep in. All right. Ready for action.
All right, can you demonstrate how you get inside your tent?
Am I looking the right way?
Yep. There's the roof. Oh, this is gonna end badly.
Where's the door? Am I going the right way?
No. Back. Keep going. Right there. There's the opening.
Ready
Awesome.
for bed.
All right, so now you got your tent site all set up. What's next?
You gotta sit your ass down.
Nice. Can you picture Snowdonia in the background?
I can.
Just beautiful. Instead, you've got neighbor's house to look at. Okay, David's setting up our folding table here. Carefully. All right, I also got this too. This is a stadium seat I had on my boat. My old, I don't know, it wasn't really a boat. It's more like a glorified raft, but this becomes easily seat number 2. Oh, you guys are dark, sorry. There we go.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, so we got our cooler that we're gonna have our burgers and, dragon meat, strictly dragon meat on this trip.
We're hunting.
Yeah, we got the table, the chairs, the cot, sleeping bags. We just need something to cook with. David's just commenting on that nice sunshine coming right through the clouds there. Beautiful day. Beautiful. So this is our cooking kit that we're gonna pack up, and it's just one of those simple, like, camping stoves. So it comes in a cool box like this, and then it's got all the butane. Came up with. Hold up. Check it out. Brand new, fresh off of Amazon's warehouse rack. Never been used. Okay, so you got your butane in there, and you just lock it right up front, and you're ready to cook with some fuel. Ooh, look at that. Can you see that? Let me zoom in there. Fire. Nice. Okay, so I also went through my gear and I found this. I didn't think it was going to work with the stuff we have. And I have it backwards too, so you're supposed to pull this out. maybe flip it up. It's a little bit easier to not go direct to the flame.
Well, it's not
but
there.
now we don't have to wait, you know, for one meal to get done. We can just cook 2 at the same time. We got like
Cook faster. Nice.
yeah, we're ready for shrimp and steak, surf and turf.
Nice. Look at that. Flame on.
All right, so that's the main part. That only took like what, 6 hours to get through. David's got to have his helmet again. He's all ready for fighting dragons. So that's the campsite. So we got the tent up. This is why we wanted to practice too, so that it's easier to do it when we're out. And we drove for, let's say we're going 8 hours up north, and I don't want to spend forever trying to figure it out. So we conquered the tent, and we got the cots in there. We got the sleeping bags. We got the folding table with our 2 chairs. I got the cooler, kind of counts as one. The cooking supplies, I just got small skillets, but we can grab pots and pans, just normal stuff. But again, we're gonna try and pack light for the food, just, you know, grab and go granola, that kind of stuff, and then maybe we'll get some eggs or something like that. This is something that we're, again, really interested in doing. We want to be able to camp, and we were trying to plan a trip for March, and it just didn't work out with the coronavirus. So thanks, Corona, you're awesome. So I think we're gonna go for maybe sometime like May, June, depending on when they lift the travel ban. This guy's going to be set up on some kind of like lakeside, a big mountain in the background. I think we're just going to do probably Peak District, but comment below, let us know where we should head off to, where's a good camping area. Peak District, Lake District, or going back to, he's never been to Wales, so I got to get him out there and get him out to Snowdonia, Brecon Beacons, the parks that we were at last year. That was a lot of fun. We also have a dream of going all the way to northern Scotland and trying to camp at the northernmost point in the UK. They've got a pretty good campground out there too, so we'll see. But we got it figured out. I'm all excited. We'll pack this stuff up, throw it in the car, and hopefully in a couple months here we'll be able to do some kind of adventure outside of our front yard here. So thanks so much for David for coming out to help me out. This is definitely a probably 6-person job. A lot of head scratching, looking at the chart, trying to figure it out, but he's got it. He's got it all figured out for us. So you guys know the deal. If you are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Oh man, we got to cook some dinner. We're going to do some steaks, hang out, maybe grab a beer or so, and just enjoy our new campsite. But thanks so much for watching this one. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It was just fun goofing off and enjoying the quarantine area here. So take care, guys. We'll see you.